Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Letitia and this is That's So Letitia. And for today's video, I will be reviewing and demoing for you one of the newest foundations to hit the market. It is the newest foundation by Morphe. This one is called their Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation. And the spokesperson for such foundation is none other than Makeup Shayla. Makeup Shayla is pretty big in the beauty world. If you do not know her, you have been living under a rock. She is actually one of the first beauty influencers that I started following way back in the 2010s when I wanted to become a beauty influencer myself, or at least start a YouTube channel. And I still follow her to this day. And to see her, you know, how far she's grown and to know that she has so much more ahead of her to come, it's pretty exciting. So when I found out about this foundation and that she was the spokesmodel for it, I said, okay, I'm gonna try this one out. Although I literally had just done a foundation review and decided I had found my holy grail for 2021. So who knows? Let's try this one out and maybe this one will change my mind. So this guy here, it is exclusive to Ulta, okay? It cost $20. It comes in 40 different shades. It has hyaluronic acid in it. It has vitamin E. There's no oil. There's no parabens in this guy. Some of the claims are that it's waterproof, it's transfer proof. Those are some big claims for this tiny container. But with all of that said, that's a lot going on in this bottle. I'm excited to try it out. So let's get prepped and get set. Of course, I am going to use this to the last drop. I'm going to start out with whatever is left of my primer by Mercier. I promise I have been so neglectful when it comes to getting me another primer. I definitely need to get one, and I guess what I'll do, I don't know, we'll see if it works. I can use this as an excuse to go and buy more makeup by saying that I need a new primer, which I do. And as always, because I have such an oily T-zone for foundation, we are going to press powder. And this is Maybelline Fit Me in medium deep. Just going to apply a thin layer to the areas of my face that are pretty much prone to have some sort of oil to show up throughout the day. And now for the foundation. This one, I don't think I mentioned the size. You get 28 milliliters or 0.94 fluid ounces in this one. So this one is slightly smaller in size than some of the other foundations out there, but it's still pretty much comparable. I'm just going to start off with one pump. There's no smell. The texture of this one is thick. It's not liquidy, it's not loose. I'm just going to grab my mirror. Alrighty, so far so good. So far it's giving me second skin. It's very light. Very lightweight. I mean, I still can see like my moles after the application, but that's also because I put on a thin layer right there. They did say that it is buildable, So in the event that you need more coverage, you can, also add a second layer if need be. Because this is more of a natural finish, it's going to still give natural face, just without some of the imperfections that I assume we typically tend to blur out or filter out in our pictures. I guess absolute first impression, I like it. I feel like it's giving me coverage, it's giving me makeup, but it also is still giving me natural face. I like that. Sometimes you want to wear your makeup and not necessarily have it give you so much full coverage that you feel obligated to do faces such as like full glam and whatnot. This one is giving me a slightly heavier BB cream. The coverage is there, it's moisturizing, it's natural looking, it doesn't feel nor look too drying or too oily. It's not too luminous, it's not too matte, it's just right. It looks to be the perfect balance of in between both of those. And now I'm just going to apply the rest of my base, continuing with my Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in 53S Deep Sand. I had a long night last night, so I definitely can use the super coverage that this tends to give me my under eye area. And I'm going to switch it up a little bit. I'm going to use, and this is by Maybelline Fit Me. It's in the shade 40 or Caramel. This is their concealer. So I'm going to apply this one today. I'm going to wear this foundation throughout the day, go about my normal activities such as eating, drinking. If I have to go out, I'm going to wear a mask. And we are going to see if this foundation is actually long lasting, if it is transfer proof or not. And I will check back in with you guys in a couple of hours. Okay guys, so I have now had this makeup on for about 7.5 hours. I've ate, drank, went out, ran a few errands, kind of laid down, got me a little bit of rest, and this is the result of what I now look like. I feel like almost because I'm sitting in front of this ring light that is glaring onto my face that I appear more oily than what I actually am in person. So in person, my skin in the areas that are known for oil breakthrough. In person, it really just looks dewy. There's honestly really no oil, that has shown up. It just looks more natural, more glowy, but definitely not oily. The makeup has not separated, which is also something that I really look for when I'm wearing foundations and pressed powders. I think it's wearing beautifully. However, let's get to some of these other claims, such as transfer proof. And of course, I had to wear a face mask outside, and there is a little bit of makeup on the mask. There is some. So I am going to say, like anything else, it's definitely not 100% transfer proof. I mean, it held up, pretty nicely, but definitely not 100% transfer proof. At least this application that I did this time, using the same methods that I use with my other foundations, it proved this one to not be, 100% transfer proof. But then again, I really don't think there's any makeup out there that is, unless you are like using cement for makeup. So yeah, that is my observation. That's my review. Hope you guys liked it. Hope this helps you to be more informed if in fact you are wanting to venture out and actually purchase this foundation for yourself. It's sold in Ulta stores. They're $20. You can use your $3.50 off coupon that comes in email, online, or on the app to take the price of this foundation down. It has not been listed as prestige, so you can definitely use your coupons as well as gain points if you purchase it. 40 shades, ranging all the way from very fair to very rich. So there's a wide range out there. But guys, that is all I have for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for sticking around. And definitely thank you to all of my new subscribers. Hey guys, thank you for your support. Thank you for taking an interest in my channel and not only clicking like on a particular video, but also clicking subscribe. Definitely appreciate each and every one of you. And if you guys are interested in this makeup look that I pulled together, I actually did a video for this morning after this video. So there will be a link somewhere up in here that will just kind of loop you guys over to that video if in fact you are interested in watching it. Until we meet next time, definitely binge watch on some of my previous content, especially if you're in an area where it's snowing. There's nothing to do outside. It's cold and it's snowy. Might as well catch up on some more beauty and lifestyle. Take care, guys.